Hi guys. So, yep, I've done my makeup. Not my first time, but I'm not into makeup. So, I did this and I checked through TikTok and YouTube. So, here we go. Tanan! Tapos na ako lahat-lahat. Tapos ngayon pa dumating. So, this is from O2O. O2O. 2 sana yung sasabihin ko. O2O. Yep. We gonna do unboxing and let's try. Basically, I've done with my eyebrow and everything. Like, it's all ready. Except powder setting. So now, let me try this. Yan. So, we're gonna open this. Thank you for introducing it to me, to my friend Wang. Let me try. I'm really excited in this one. I'm really excited. But anyway, here's the things inside of this box. Okay, so it's only this much. I choose a nude brown because nude brown 02 because I really like nude brown. So now I already had my, what did I put? Vaseline. Okay, so here we go. I'm so excited, but let me retouch some few lines on my eyebrow. Kasi parang nagsha-shiny siya. So I'm gonna take tip on this. Let me try. Oh, nice. I don't know if you can see that. See. So I like this nude brown. It doesn't suit sa nude brown kasi hindi siya nude. I feel like it's dark. Okay, so I'm gonna brush this. Okay pala yung Vaseline, guys. Really, I like it. Para din siyang para ka ding laminated eyebrow. Yes. Yep. Kunin ko lang yung excess nung Vaseline. Yung nilagyan ko lang siya ng shape sa baba. Then the rest sa taas, no. I didn't put anything. So, yep. Ready to go. Now I have to put this minimal. Very minimal. So that it looks natural. I love this one. Okay, I'm not really into makeup, and those YouTubers, some TikTok tutorial, it really helps me. Wow, see guys, so meron pa siyang some pero but it's okay kasi nga nalagyan ko siya ng Vaseline, which is fine. It helps kasi ngayon lang dumating. Well, this is 10.10. This is 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching.